everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina and today I have my BoxyCharm unboxing. So if you don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. It is $21 a month and you typically get 4 to 5 full-size products every month. Now this month is a little different because this was BoxyCharm's birthday month, so from what I hear there's 6 full-size products in this box this month, which is awesome. We're just gonna jump into my unboxing. I did not try anything on because I just got off work and I want to get this video up today, so I'm filming it, editing it, and posting it, hopefully, fingers crossed. If you watched my last video, my chit chat get ready with me, you guys would know that I've been very busy with work, so I'm really trying to stick to my schedule, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do 3 times a week, but I'm gonna try as hard as possible to post frequently, or as frequently as I can. So today we're just gonna be doing the unboxing of my BoxyCharm and we're just gonna jump right into it. So first things first, the theme this month is Boxy Bash. Like I said, this was BoxyCharm's birthday month, so that is it. I thought they were changing the postcards because last month they had one that like folded open, which I really liked, but we're back to like the little postcard type one now, but still really cute. It has all your information on the other side, so I will keep that flipped over. So the first thing that I picked up was this little guy. This is the Cover FX Blurring Primer, and I'm excited about it. We get Cover FX in our boxes pretty frequently. We get Cover FX in our boxes now pretty frequently, and I actually really enjoy that because this isn't a brand that I typically buy for myself on my own. That makes sense, but it is a brand that everything we've gotten in these boxes I've absolutely loved. Like, everything has been good, everything has been good quality. I love, what was it? I think it was like 4 months ago, I think. We got the Cover FX Illuminating Spray, and I love that spray. Now, you guys know that I have large pores on my cheeks, like right here near my nose, so blurring primers are typically what I go for because it does blur the appearance of my pores, which is what I like. I do like for my skin to look blurred and perfected, so I am excited about this. This retails for $38, so this is a great value in the box already, and I'm excited to try something like this. This is something that definitely interests me, and I feel like as long as it doesn't make my skin like doesn't clog my pores or anything, this could definitely be a new favorite. The second thing that I saw in my box was this little guy. This is the Pur Cosmetics Sculptor palette. Now this is a contouring palette and it is wrapped. I'm not going to unwrap this because I'm actually going to throw this in a giveaway, a later giveaway, because I have so much contouring stuff, and contouring things typically I need to like look and buy it myself because these colors actually do look kind of dark in here. And you guys know I'm very fair skinned. I stay pretty fair skinned and I lately haven't even been contouring very much. So because of that, and because the highlight in this even looks kind of dark to me, I'm going to be throwing this in a later giveaway because I probably won't be getting around to using it. But I am excited to see that this is in the box this month. We get Pur Cosmetics pretty often too, and all of their products have been really great quality, and it's just cool that they can throw this kind of stuff in this box to me. This retails for $30, so again, we're already at a $60 value in the box with just 2 items and you only pay $21. Again, it's like magic. I don't know how they do these things at all. Now the next thing I saw in here I was pretty excited about because I love getting brushes in my BoxyCharms. I don't know what it is about buying brushes. I hate buying brushes, but I love having them. Does that make sense? Now this is the Aesthetica makeup brush. This is the P12 brush. This is just supposed to be a face brush. It has synthetic fibers and it doesn't say if it's a foundation or like a powder brush. It looks like the bristles. I'm just gonna open this. What am I doing? Ooh, these bristles are super soft. Yeah, and I like that they're synthetic. They feel really nice. Honestly, I would probably use this as a blush brush. And I like that it's not like densely packed for blush because I don't like to layer on my blush too heavy. Sometimes I do because I'm trying to pan 2 blushes right now, but I think this would disperse blush really beautifully. And this brush retails for $27. See, like that's something that like for some reason, as much as I love having good brushes, spending $27 on like a brush, to me, I just don't like doing it. And then speaking of brushes, they also threw in an eye brush trio. It comes with a spoolie, a little like liner brush, and then like an angled liner brush, which I like the angled liner brushes for my eyebrows. I have like 5 of them because I like to use them in my pomades. So I'm really excited about this. It's always good to have an extra spoolie around because like spoolies that come in eyebrow pencils, like once your pencil's done, it's gone. So I do like having a spoolie, and I do like the little liner brushes because I don't have one actually. So this is like something that is very useful to me. This is also by the brand Aesthetica, the same as the last brush. And this retails for $45, which I find appalling almost. Like that is a lot of money for 3 little tiny brushes. I would never spend that amount of money on these brushes. Just throwing that out there. I just wouldn't. I just wouldn't. Am I happy that they're in this box? Heck yeah, because I only paid $21 for the box. So very excited. Not anything I would ever recommend buying. The $45 is a bit expensive. Another thing that came in the box that can be used with those last brushes that they threw in is this cute little jar. This is the Pretty Vulgar gel liner, and this jar is so beautiful. It's so heavy, and it's just a gel liner. Now gel liner isn't anything that I've ever really dabbled in very much. I don't own a gel liner. I actually don't wear winged liner as much as I used to, but I have always wanted to try a good gel liner. Now that my allergies have toned down a little bit, I've been able to wear a little bit more eye makeup, but the jar alone makes me excited to try this out. This retails for $24, and again, that's more than we paid for the box, and it just feels so nice and looks nice. Like Pretty Vulgar does such a good job with their packaging. I'm so excited to see this in the box. Plus they threw these brushes in so I can use these brushes with the gel liner. Win-win. And then the last thing that was in my box this month was this little lipstick. I think it's a lipstick. What are you? Lip gloss. So this is the Hon All Natural Lip Gloss with antioxidants and vitamins in it. And mine came in the color Nude Rose, which excites me because I like anything in a nude rose color. And it looks really pretty. The packaging's super simple, but really like sleek, and looks like something I would just throw in my purse and would be easy to apply. I am excited about this. It has the ingredients like right here on the side, and all of the ingredients are actual things I can read and like know what they are. So this is a more natural product, which makes me very, very happy. This actually retails for $15, which I almost expected it to retail for more since it has more like natural products in it. Just because the products are more natural in this, that I want to make sure that I'm using it up, because I don't think it has like preservatives in it, so I could see this going bad really quickly, but I'm still excited. Anything that has good stuff in it for my lips makes me really, really happy, and this color looks so pretty. It looks like it's gonna be a nice natural color on me. And that, guys, is everything that came in my BoxyCharm this month. I'm super excited about everything. I think they did a phenomenal job with what they like put in the box. Whoever like was on the team to curate this one, thumbs up. I think it is phenomenal. The value of this box is like exponentially more than what we pay for it every month, so amazing job. Super excited to try these things out. If you want to know my thoughts on any of these, or you want to see me put these in my monthly everyday drawer next month, just let me know. Leave a comment down below on which products you are most interested in seeing reviews on, and I will be sure to do that for you guys. And that's really going to be it for my video today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully that means I see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!